you got to say?
Hey.
Hey.
And hey up.
Hey up.
Yeah.
Hey up. How did you find this walk today, Lou?
It was good. I mean, yes, you know, I will be honest, there was slippy bits and it was a bit up and down, but no, I enjoyed it. Me and Lauren have done this walk before, but we did it in reverse. But you can't help the conditions, can you?
Exactly.
As long as you just take your time.
Yeah.
We're all here, so we're all here.
You made a good laugh.
Hey up, dog!
Hey up.
Hey up!
Endurance adventures.
Hey,
Hey, hey, hey. How you found the walk today?
great actually.
you enjoyed
quite
it?
Excited.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a short and sweet one, I think.
All those stepping stones though, it's quite an adventure.
Short for you though, 'cause you do like 25 miles a day, don't you?
Well, yeah, not for ages though.
Yeah.
That's enough for today, isn't
Yeah,
it?
definitely.